Hi friends, today let us learn how to record the screen of MacBook Pro. Below you see Quicktime player, click it. And then go to keypad, shift control and N. Click that, immediately the screen record will open. See that option, camera type. So then you can select and then record. There is another process here. You go to search bar and click there, Quicktime player. Just enter it. After entering, left side of the top of the MacBook Pro, you see file option. In that you see screen recording or audio or movie, anything. Screen record is selected, so the camera option has come. So at the bottom of the MacBook Pro you see different types of options: capturing entire screen, capture selected window, capture selected portion, and capture entire screen and selected portion. And there are also different options there you can see and select. You can select also mouse pointer. You can click that, and then anything if you want you can choose in one of that. Then proceed to record. So click that record button. Yes, on the right side at the top of the MacBook Pro you see the option that it is being recorded. See on the top. Yes, that's the one. So let us once check. Let us open some of the folders whether it is being recorded or not. Yes, let us close it and let us stop the record, and then let us check where the file is being saved. Just click on that. Automatically screen record will stop and the video will come up. See, on the desktop itself the video is saved. That's how you have to open and see. If you like my videos, for more updates subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.